Hello, my name is Latrina, and yesterday I think you spoke with my son Chris with regards to a free video showing you some things you can do to improve your online presence. We've been making these videos as a service. We don't sell in these videos. This is just something we do on the side in our free time, just to help bring value and service to the community and to other business owners. We strongly believe that givers gain, so this is our way of giving. Your feedback would be important though, just so that we understand whether or not these videos are actually helpful or not. And if there are ways that we can improve, we'd like to do that. So please let us know your thoughts afterwards, and I'll go ahead and get started. So what I'm going to cover is content, backlinks, and citations, and why these are important website elements. I'll go over your company's online presence and make any recommendations that I might see to help you boost your business. So content is anything on your website. It's the words, the images, and the videos. And you want to have sufficient amount of content on your website because this is how Google spends time getting to know a business and finding the keywords to highlight that business and put them in the search results when people are looking for those services. Ideally, your homepage should have at least 1,500 words, and your back pages should have at least 500. Then citations are listings that you get in directories. It's your business name, your address, and your phone number. You've probably seen these before in places like Google, Yelp, Yellow Pages, etc. You want to have as many of these as you can get as well on the internet and more than your competition. And then backlinks are the placement of your website onto other websites. For example, if you have Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, and your website is listed on those are considered backlinks because they link back to your website. The more backlinks you have, the more popular your website becomes. In fact, backlinks are so important that Google uses them as a measure of trust. A business that has many backlinks will be validated by Google, and those that do not get Google attention. So let's take a look at Google very quickly. So what I did is I did painting contractors, Frederick, Maryland, and immediately we are presented with some ads. These are advertisements that businesses have placed with Google. Ads are okay, but one thing to note about advertisements is that sometimes they are not seen. They're randomly placed, right? But a lot of people also have ad blockers on their computers. In those instances, they will not see the advertisements. Also, if you're using services like Thumbtack or Angie's List or any of those, they do charge you for every lead that you get, and they're charging 4 other businesses the same cost for that same lead. So 5 businesses are being charged for that one lead, and only one business will land that customer. So what I try to do is share with businesses things that they can do to supplement any advertising efforts that they are doing to boost their website. And your website, if you optimize it and use it appropriately, can do so much for you in building your business. So in Google, the prime real estate area is this area here called the Map Pack. And as you'll see, it lists the top 3 businesses who, in the eyes of Google, are perceived to be the top ranking businesses for painting contractors in Frederick, Maryland. Then Google continues to rank businesses throughout the pages. You ideally want to have your business listed on the first 3 pages of Google. Anywhere further than that, attention starts to dwindle. You don't really get a lot of clicking from people who are searching Google on those further pages. So ideally, you'd get your business listed here or somewhere in the first few pages, okay? So let's take a look at your website. One thing I'm going to compliment you on is it looks very professional. I like the imagery. I like the fact that you took time to put a contact us or a contact form at the very top of your website. That's very smart. A lot of business owners do not do that and take advantage of the opportunity to grab people's attention right away. It is, however, covering some of your menu, so I would modify that a little bit, maybe cut it down a little and have it here so it's not covering up your menu, because you do want people to get to your menu and be able to see the things that are there, right? So definitely just continue to use your form for sure, but maybe crop it a bit so that you can see the rest of your page. The other thing that I want to recommend is that you add more content to your website. You have some, but it's still not sufficient for enticing Google to spend a lot of time on your website. Remember, 1,500 words or more on your homepage, and your back pages at least 500 words, okay? And that's going to help you. It's going to work in your favor, trust me. These are the things that people are doing when they are boosting their business and their website and they're getting all that traffic. It's because they're taking the time to add a lot of content and keywords to help people, and particularly Google, know what it is they're doing. I'm going to say also you are saving. I like that you're tagging your images with your name. That's pretty good. I would also tag some of your images with keywords describing the services. For example, remodeling, Frederick, Maryland, refinishing, floor refinishing, Frederick, Maryland, painting, interior painting, exterior painting, Frederick, Maryland, other services that you do. You have so many things that you do, drywall repair, um, power washing. These are all things you want to be able to highlight, right? But you don't have enough content on your page right now to do that. And in order to get Google to crawl your page and to rank you for those keywords, you're going to need more content. Let me take a look at your stats really quick. Right now, you have a 0.9 popularity with Google out of 100, 1 to 100. You definitely need to put in some more time with your backlinks. You do have some, but continue to add backlinks as you go. You can't spam them with backlinks. Google doesn't like that, but you can gradually add backlinks, a couple hundred or so every month. And in no time, you'd have a sufficient amount to give you the boost that you need for your business. Then you want to do the same thing for referring domains. Right now, like I said, you're not ranking for any keywords whatsoever. And that's going to be extremely important for you. Let me show you what I mean by that. So if we take a look at this business here, they're getting many clicks. Do you see this? They're getting many clicks on a daily basis. And you're the blue line at the bottom. You're not getting any. The primary reason is content, backlinks, and citations, okay? If you remember nothing else, just remember that. This is not to discourage you. This is to actually encourage you and empower you to give your business the chance that it deserves. Go ahead and optimize your website a bit, and I'm pretty sure you'll find your place over time on the first few pages of Google. And yeah, then you'd be probably growing your business at the same time. So let me know what you thought. I don't think I have any other feedback for you at this time, but if you can think of any questions for me, let me know. Otherwise, feedback. Let me know what you thought, okay? Bad or good. It will help us to improve our videos going forward. And in the meantime, I wish you much success and prosperity. Take care. Bye-bye.